In this video, we're going to take a look at Workflowy search. Search is one of the most powerful bits of Workflowy, and it's different than in other apps in that it's not just a tool for finding things, but it's also for working with. Most apps create a separate page, a search results page, and then you have to click through to get to your file, and then you can work on it there. And you lose the context. You have to go backwards and forwards, back in and out of search, and accessing different documents. Workflowy is different. The search results are your notes, so you can read, edit, and add to your notes, all from within the search results. No context switching. So it's extremely powerful. One of there are a couple of different ways of accessing the search. You can either click on the button up here, or you can press the escape at any place. Depending on where you are in which node you're zoomed into, Workflowy will either search across all of your account when you're at the top level, or if you're zoomed into a specific node, it will only search within that node. So let's go ahead and do a search, and I'm going to search for a new project idea that I want to work on. So I'm going to have a search for some keywords. I'm going to use the keyword pane here. I'm also going to add a tag in. I'm going to put the tag WF, and I'm also going to have the word idea as well. And so I have searched for a few different things in this set of results. I can then actually work within this specific window here. I can add notes. And you can see that I'm actually just adding it as if it were a normal Workflowy document, all from within the search results itself. I could, if I wanted to, save this search, and so I can just click on star it over here, and at that point the search will appear in this area here. So wherever I am, I can then go back in and always run that search very, very quickly. And as you can see, it makes it extremely powerful and quick and easy to find things. So I haven't had to go anywhere. I haven't gone into a separate document. And it's very fast, it's very flexible, and it's built right into where all your ideas and notes are, not in a separate app or having to open a separate application in order to use it. And that is Workflowy Search.